quiet morning in a small village. A boy named Sam lives here with his grandmother. Sam is a kind boy with a big imagination. He loves to draw, but he has no paints. He uses a stick to draw in the dirt. He draws pictures of birds and trees. One day, an old woman sees him drawing. She has a kind face and a warm smile. She watches Sam for a long time. Sam does not see her at first. He is too busy with his drawing. Finally, the woman speaks. "You draw very well," she says. Sam looks up, a little surprised. "Thank you," he says quietly. The old woman reaches into her bag. She takes out a small, wooden paintbrush. The paintbrush is old but beautiful. "This is for you," she says. Sam's eyes open wide. He cannot believe it. "For me? But I have no paints," he says. The woman smiles mysteriously. "This brush is special. Try it," she says. She points to a blank piece of paper. Sam takes the brush and holds it gently. He closes his eyes and thinks of an apple. He touches the paper with the brush. Immediately, a red apple appears on the paper. But it is not just a drawing. It is a real apple. It falls from the paper and rolls onto the ground. Sam is shocked. He picks up the apple. It is heavy and smells sweet. He looks up to thank the woman. But she is gone. Sam is alone with the magic paintbrush. He runs home to show his grandmother. At home, his grandmother is making soup. "Grandma! Look!" Sam shouts excitedly. He shows her the apple and the brush. He tells her the whole story. His grandmother does not believe him at first. "Try it, Grandma," Sam says. He gives her the brush and a piece of paper. She thinks of a yellow flower. She draws a simple circle and lines. A beautiful, real sunflower appears. It stands tall in a small pot on the table. The grandmother is amazed. "This is a magical gift," she whispers. Sam and his grandmother are very happy. Now, they can create anything. Sam draws a warm blanket for his grandmother. She is always cold at night. The blanket appears, soft and warm. His grandmother hugs him tightly. Next, Sam draws a pair of warm socks. They appear on his grandmother's feet. She laughs with joy. For the first time in months, her feet are warm. Days pass. Sam uses the brush to help others. He draws food for a hungry family. He draws a coat for a cold man on the street. He draws toys for children who have none. The brush always works. But Sam is careful. He is not greedy. He only draws what people truly need. One evening, a rich man hears about the brush. He comes to Sam's small house. He wants the magic paintbrush for himself. "Give me the brush," he demands. Sam hides the brush behind his back. No, Sam says bravely. The rich man is angry. He sends his men to take the brush. Sam runs out of the house. He runs into the forest. The men follow him. Sam is fast, but the men are faster. Sam stops near a big river. He has an idea. He takes out the brush. He quickly draws a boat on a rock. A small, real wooden boat appears. He jumps into the boat and pushes off. The boat floats away on the river. The men cannot follow him. Sam is safe. He floats down the river. He comes to a new village. The people there look sad and tired. Sam learns there has been no rain. Their plants are dry. They have no food. Sam wants to help them. He takes out his magic brush. He draws dark clouds in the sky. Real clouds appear and cover the sun. Then, he draws rain falling from the clouds. Soft, cool rain begins to fall on the village. The people are overjoyed. The rain makes the plants grow again. Sam stays in this village for a while. He uses the brush to help everyone. He draws tools for the farmers. He draws books for the children. He draws a new bridge over a small stream. The village becomes happy and prosperous. The people thank Sam very much. They ask him to stay forever. But Sam misses his grandmother. He decides it is time to go home. He draws a fast horse on the ground. A beautiful brown horse appears. Sam says goodbye to the villagers. He rides the horse back to his own village. He rides for many hours. Finally, he sees his small house. His grandmother is sitting outside. She is waiting for him. She looks worried. Sam jumps off the horse and runs to her. They hug for a long time. "I was so worried about you," she says. "I am safe, Grandma," Sam says. He tells her everything about his journey. He tells her about the greedy man. He tells her about the new village and the rain. His grandmother listens carefully. "You used the brush to do good," she says. "I am very proud of you." Sam smiles. He is happy to be home. He learns that the greedy man is gone. No one in the village has seen him again. Sam and his grandmother live peacefully. Sam still uses the magic paintbrush. But he is always wise and kind. He draws things for his grandmother. He draws things for anyone in need. The magic brush brings happiness to many. And Sam learns the greatest lesson of all. The real magic is not in the brush. The real magic is in a kind heart. The end. Goodbye.